The topic to be discussed in this video is electronic product code, EPC. Generally, EPC is a universal identifier that provides a unique identity for every physical object anywhere in the world. The definition is electronic product code is a universal identifier that provides a unique identity for every physical object anywhere in the world. Electronic product code is a universal identifier, global identifier that provides a unique identity for every physical object anywhere in the world. More number of devices are available in the world. These devices are identified with the help of electronic product code. Next one is an electronic product code contains numbers that can be used to track different information about the product, such as manufacturing date, product origin, and destination. Second important point here is an electronic product code, an EPC, contains numbers that can be used to track different information about the products, about the such as manufacturing date, product's origin, and destination. And a destination. Next one is electronic product code contains numbers that can be used to track a different information about the different types of information. Different types of information about the product, such as manufacturing date, product origin, and destination. Next important point is electronic product code works on the principle of radio frequency tags. Radio frequency tags, radar and tags are there in that RFID technology. The electronic EPC product code is encoded on the RFID tags. The radar sends the signals to tags, extract the product information from the tags. That is another important point. Here is EPC works on the principle of RFID, which is used to send and receive information when a radar is applied to it. When a RFID radar is applied to it. Generally, next important point here is EPC's electronic product codes mostly encoded on RFID tags that are used to check identity of objects like inventory, people, and track trade items and reusable assets. Another important point, EPCs are numbers encoded on RFID tags. Electronic product codes are mostly encoded on RFID tags that are used to check identities of objects or devices like inventory, people, books in the library, and track items and track trade items, reusable assets. Reusable assets. One more important point here is third, reusable assets. Each class of object next important point here is so many devices are there. These devices are identified with the help of EPC electronic product code. Radio RFID technology is used in EPC representation. EPCs are numbers which are encoded on the RFID tags. The RFID radar focus on the RFID tags, extract that product information. That is the general principle. EPC works on the principle of RFID, which is used to send and receive information when a radar is applied to it. Okay, next one. Each class of object, trade items, reusable assets, documents, etc. has a corresponding GS1 keys. GS1 means global standard keys. Very, very important. Each class of object trade items, reusable assets, documents, etc. has a corresponding GS1 keys. GS1 means global standards. Some global standards. Global standard keys. Each class of objects, different types of devices, trade items, reusable assets, documents, etc. has a corresponding GS1. GS1 means global standard keys. GS1 key provide a context for the EPC data. How these GS1 keys are related to EPC data? That is very, very important point. GS1 key provides context for the EPC data associated with a physical object. These are the standard keys. GS1 global standard keys, which are very, very useful keys. These keys are related to products information. Each class of object, trade items, reusable assets, documents, etc. has a corresponding GS1 keys, global standard keys. Now see this one. This one is a global standard key GS1 GTIN. This one is GTIN. Corresponding electronic product score scheme is SGTIN. Typical use here is trade item. GSN GT not GSN. GTIN stands global trade item number. Global trade item number. The global trade item number GTIN is a unique and internationally recognized identifier for a product. A global trade item number is a unique and internationally recognized identifier for a product. Internationally recognized identifier for a product. This one global standard key. These are this key is related to EPC scheme is SGTIN. Small s scheme GTIN. Global trade item number that is related to trade items. Coming to next one is SCC, another global standard related to objects is different types of objects, assets, documents, reusable items, and so on. SSCC, serial shipping container code. Serial shipping container code. Is an 18-bit digital number. Digital 18-bit digital number used to identify logistics units. Bunch of products are packed. That is called as the logistics coordination units. Some coordination units. GLN. GLN is very, very important one. Global location number. Next, third one is this is the GTIN SSCC, the corresponding EPC scheme. SSCC is a logistics unit. A pack contains so many objects. With the help of that SSCC identifies that objects inside the that package. GLN means global location number. Global location number can be used companies to identify their locations. Can be used by the companies to identify their location. That is GLN. Next corresponding next one is GRAI. All these are global standards. Global returnable assets identifier. Assets identifier. Next one is GIAI. GIAI. Global individual asset identifier. Global individual asset identifier. Next one is GDTI. Next one is GDTI. Global document type identifier. Global document type identifier. Last one is GSRN. Global service relation number. Global service relation. These are the global standards related to products which are correlated to EPC products. EPC product codes. Very, very important. Next one is format. EPC format. EPC format of EPC. Coming to this one, GSRN is meant for service relation. GSRN means global service relation number. GDTI, global document type identifier, for related to documents. GIAI, global individual assets identifier, fixed asset. GRAI means global returnable asset identifier, return reusable asset. GLN, location logic. SSCC, logistic unit. GTIN, trade unit. Next one, EPC. EPC is the 96-bit number associated with an RFID tag for identifying a particular tag amongst other tags. EPC is EPC, electronic product codes, is the 96-bit number. 96-bit number or 96-bit format is the most common format in the supply chain. The 96 format is the most common format in the supply chain. Supply chain application. Due to its ability to generate a very large quantities of unique numbers. Unique numbers are used to identify the products. That 96-bit format is a very useful one. Next one. Header in this figure, see this one. First one is a header, 8 bits. 8-bit number that shows the length type. That shows the length type, structure, version, and the partitioning scheme. This one is 8-bit. Header is the 8-bit. Total 8-bit plus 28-bit plus 24-bit plus 36 bits. Total 96 bits. Header a 8-bit number. That shows the length, type, structure, version, and the partitioning scheme. Two power 8, 256. Next one, EPC manager number. EPC first field is header field. Second one is a EPC manager number. EPC manager number, a 28-bit number that indicates a 28-bit number that indicates company manufacturers. 28-bit means 2 power 28 is equal to 268. That is the greater than 268. 268 million companies. 268 million companies. Ninety-six bit code can provide a unique identifier for 268 million companies. Each company, million companies. EPC manager number, a 28-bit number that indicates company manufacturers. 2 power 28, that means greater than 260 million companies. Next one, object class. Object class. Twenty-four bit number that indicates product, that indicates product type. That means product type 2 power 16, 2 power 24 bits. Each company can have 16 million objects. Each company must have each company must have 2 power 24, approximately is equal to 16 million object classes. Object classes. Here SKU means stock keeping unit. SKU means stock keeping unit. Stock keeping unit. Next one, last one is a serial number. Serial number means 36 unique number that identified each product instance. Last one is object class completed. 16 million objects are identified. Next one is a serial number. A 36-bit unique number that identify each product instance. Each product instance. 2 power 36. 68 billion serial, billion series numbers in each case. These are the different fields: header field, EPC manager number, object class, serial number. Header field indicates with the help of 8 bits, 2 power 8, 256 bits. The EPC manager number 28 bits, 2 power 28. 2 power 28 means greater than 268 million companies are there. Object class 24 bits indicates the product type. 2 power 24, that means greater than 16 million object classes are there. Serial number 36 bits, 2 power 36 greater than 68 billions. Unique for each instance of a product. These are the format of 96-bit format. Is the most common type format. Next one, EPC is the 96-bit number associated with an RFID tag for identifying a particular tag amongst other tags. EPC is the 96-bit number associated with an RFID tag. For identifying a particular tag amongst other tags. It is used to distinguish two identical products and also provide the product's manufacture date, origin, etc. It is used to distinguish two identical products and also provide the product manufacture date and origin. These are some important points related to EPC format of EPC. Next one is EPC tags. EPC tags. Different classification tags are there. Here indicated here. Different EPC device classes. Different classification of tags allows user to choose different tags with different functionalities at different costs. The different classification of tags allows user to choose different tags with a different functionality at different costs. Next, 5 classes are there. Class 0. Tag classification is for read-only purpose only, passive. Passive tag. This is the passive tag programmed by the manufacturer. Manufacturer programmed such type of tags. That is a passive tag. That is a reader reads the information from this passive tag. In case of class 1, write once, read many passive. Read many. Have written one time and read many times. That is this is also passive tags programmed by the customer, cannot be reprogrammed. Cannot be reprogrammed. In case of class 2, rewritable passive tag, rewritable and passive tag. A passive tag with up to 60 kilobytes of read-write memory. Read and write memory. Next one, class 3, semi-passive. Semi-passive means the circuit is the tags are powered with the help of a battery, which is used inside the tag, and also for communication purpose we use RF signals transmission and reception. This one is a semi-passive, similar to class 2 tag, but with inbuilt tag, but with a built-in battery to support increased read range. In all the classes, extract the product information from the RFID tags. Tags are generally 3 types: passive RFID tag, active RFID tags, semi RFID tags, like that. In class 4, this is related to active RFID tag. An active tag that transmits and runs its chip circuitry with the use of a built-in battery. That is reprogrammable. This is the reprogrammable one. Class 5 is also an active tag that can communicate with other class 5 tags and other devices or other tags. Rewritable passive, semi-passive, active, and class 5 is also active. These are the reprogrammable concepts are used. Reprogrammable, that means previous information is erased and that new programs are installed on the tags.